Hi children. Today let's move on to Chemistry Chapter 5, Water a Precious Resource, Part 3. Learning Objective: to know about sources of water. The various sources of water are rainwater, surface water, and groundwater. Now let's move on to rainwater. Rain forms a part of the water cycle. Rainwater is the purest form of water. However, while falling, it gets polluted with dust particles and some dissolved gases such as carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, and sulfur. Surface water. Surface water present in rivers, lakes, and streams, and seas and oceans. Now let's move on to rivers, lakes, and streams. Water present in these water bodies comes from the melting of snow on the mountains and from rain. Along its course, water travels through hills and plains and becomes impure. It contains dissolved salts and suspended impurities. Seas and oceans. Seas and oceans cover about 70% of the surface of Earth. Water present in seas and oceans contains large amounts of dissolved salts. Rivers ultimately flow into sea and add dissolved salts into it. Due to the presence of salt, this water is salty and is called saline. It is unfit for drinking, washing, irrigation, and for industrial purposes. Next is about groundwater. Some part of rainwater goes into the soil, into the non-porous rocks beneath and seeps under the ground. This is called groundwater or underground water. The level of groundwater is called water table. The process of seeping water deep below the ground is called infiltration. At many places, groundwater is present between the layers of hard rocks below the water table and is called aquifer. Now let's move on to questions. Read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet or in your chemistry note. Question number 1. Why is the water present in seas and oceans saline? Number 2. What is water table? Number 3. Define infiltration. And number 4. Write few lines about rainwater. And 5. Define aquifer. Thank you, children.